solving the optimization problem. Lagrange multipliers. The Italian-French mathematician Giuseppe Lodovico Lagrange, also known as Josephus Lagrange, invented a strategy for finding the local maxima and minima of a function subject to equality constraint. It is called the method of Lagrange multipliers. The process involves creating a Lagrange function, computing the gradient, and solving for the Lagrange multipliers. Next, the method of Lagrange multipliers. Lagrange noticed that when we try to solve an optimization problem of the form minimize x f(x) subject to gx is 0. The Lagrange multiplier method can be summarized by these 3 steps. 1. Construct the Lagrangian function L by introducing one multiplier per constraint. 2. Get the gradient L of the Lagrangian. 3. Solve for Lx alpha is null. Next, the SVM Lagrangian problem. We saw in this chapter that the SVM optimization problem is minimize VB 1 per 2 V2 subject to yi Vxi plus b minus 1 bigger 0 I is 1 m. Note that we introduced one Lagrange multiplier ai for each constraint function. We could try to solve for LVBA is 0, but the problem can only be solved analytically when the number of examples is small. Tyson Smith 2004. So we will once again rewrite the problem using the duality principle. To get the solution of the primal problem, we need to solve the following Lagrangian problems. Min VB max alpha LVB alpha subject to alpha I bigger 0 I is 1 m. Next tips. You might have noticed that the method of Lagrange multipliers is used for solving problems with equality constraint, and here we are using them with inequality constraint. This is because the method style work for inequality constraint. Provide
a Wolf dual problem. Recall that the Lagrange function is LWB alpha equals to half W square minus sigma Mi is 1 alpha I yi W times xi plus b minus 1 equals to half W times W minus sigma Mi is 1 alpha I yi W times xi plus b minus 1. The Lagrange primal problem is minimal WB, maximal alpha L WB alpha subject to alpha I greater than equals to 0, I equals to 1 up to m. This is the Wolf dual Lagrange function. The optimization problem is now called the Wolf dual problem. Maximize alpha sigma m I equals to 1, alpha I minus half, sigma m I is 1, sigma m j is 1. Alpha I, alpha j, yi, yg, xi times xj, subject to alpha 1 greater than equals to 0 for any I is 1 up to m. Sigma m I is 1, alpha I, yi is 0. Korskun-Tucker condition. Because we are dealing with inequality constraints, there is an additional requirement. The solution must also satisfy the Korskun-Tucker condition. The Korskun-Tucker condition are stationary condition, where WL is W minus sigma m I equals to 1, alpha I, yi, xi is 0. AL divided AB is minus sigma m I equals to 1, alpha I, yi equals to 0. Primal feasibility condition, YIW times xi plus b minus 1 greater than equals to 0 for all I equals to 1 up to m. Dual feasibility condition, alpha 1 bigger than equals to 0 for all I equals to 1 up to m. Complementary slackness condition, alpha I, YIW times xi plus b minus 1 equals to 0 for all I equals to 1 up to m. Korskun-Tucker condition. First, stationarity condition. The stationarity condition tells us that the selected point must be a stationary point. It is a point where the function stops increasing or decreasing. 2. Primal feasibility condition. Looking at this condition, you should recognize the constraints of the primal problem. 3. Dual feasibility condition. Similarly, this condition represents the constraints that must be respected for the dual problem. 4. Complementary slackness condition. From the complementary slackness condition, we see that either alpha 1 equals to 0 or YIW times xg plus b minus 1 equals to 0. What to do once we have the multipliers? When we solve the Wolff-Dual problem, we get a vector alpha containing all Lagrange multipliers. However, when we first stated the primal problem, our goal was to find W and B.
Hypothesis first theory, the SVMC, the same hypothesis first done as the spectrum, the cos of an exflame XE is given by XE sig V XE plus B. When assume the dual formation, it is computed assume only the support vectors. XE sig X element G sama dengan Y I Z Y Z XG XE plus B. Solving SVMC with IQV This formation of the CVM is called the hard market CVM. It cannot work when the data is not linear. Several there are several support factors. Mazina's formulation in the next cover we will consider another formalism called the soft margin CVM, which will be able to work when data is not linear. Several because of outliers. Summary: giving the norm of its I complex of the Mazdian problem, which can be solved using the Laguerre multivariate method. When there are more than I, V explains, we perform using